The hog tie is a very useful knot to know in case you need to restrain an animal. For example, the back legs of a recumbent cow during a Cesarean section. You need to make 2 loops on either end of the rope, one in front of the rope and one behind the rope. Cross them over and make a noose. You can then put this around both legs, tighten it, and then wrap the free ends of the rope around that noose so that they don't tighten as you pull them. The legs can then be restrained to a fence post. Make 1 loop in front of the rope and 1 loop behind the rope. Cross them over behind each other and make a noose. You can then put the noose around the legs of the animal and tighten it. And then wrap the free end of the rope around that noose so that they don't tighten anymore once you restrain the animal to the fence post or the crush. A variation of the hog tie is the tomfool knot, which actually gets tighter the more the animal struggles. Again, make 2 loops with the free ends of the rope, one in front and one behind. Pull the medial aspect of each loop through the opposite loop so that the knot looks something like this. You can then attach the loops around the animal's limbs and pull tight. Remember that the more the animal struggles, the tighter these loops will get. Therefore, to prevent harm to the animal, it's really only recommended if the animal is dead and you need to attach it to a hoist or something like that.